Good morning, my dear students. Today I want to conclude this lesson motion from the 9th class physical science. In the earlier class, I told you the derivations of these three equations. For the uniform accelerated motion only, these three equation derivations I told you. Now today I want to tell you the derivation of the fourth equation. The displacement covered in nth second, not in n seconds. In n seconds or in t seconds, this is the formula. This displacement covered by an object s is equal to u plus half a t square is the displacement covered by an object in t seconds. But here this equation is displacement covered by an object in nth second, particularly in the nth second, how much distance the displacement can be covered. This is the formula for that. Let us see the derivation of this equation. First we know this equation, displacement covered, the second equation we know, displacement covered in t seconds, ut plus half a t square. Simply you can write with t seconds, or no need to write it as is s equal to ut plus half a t square, you can write. We know this equation is the displacement covered by a body in t seconds, t seconds is equal to ut plus half a t square. You know very well about this equation. Instead of t seconds, how much displacement it covers in n seconds? Instead of t, here we use n. Displacement covered in n seconds. Yes, n seconds is equals to un plus half a n square. Similarly, we can write in n minus 1 seconds. In t seconds, in n seconds, in n minus 1 seconds. What is the formula we get? Instead of t, we get n minus 1 here. So, u of n minus 1 plus half a of, instead of t, n minus 1. Here comes n minus 1 whole square. Okay? This is the equation 1 and it be the equation 2. These two equations indicates that displacement covered by a body in n seconds, displacement covered by a body in n minus 1 seconds. For example, it is displacement covered in 10 seconds, suppose. It is displacement covered in n minus 1 is 9 seconds. In 10 seconds, displacement covered. In 9 seconds, displacement covered. If I want to know in the 10th second, displacement covered in 10th second, how can I get an equation? To derive this equation, I need to subtract displacement covered in 10 seconds means Sn minus displacement covered in n minus 1 seconds. That means Sn minus 1 second. As I told you the example, displacement covered in the 10th second, if I want to know displacement covered in 10 seconds minus displacement covered in 9 seconds. Okay, then I get that in the particular 10th second how much displacement covered I can derive. So that I am subtracting the equation 2 from 1. So equation 2 from 1 means what I get? I will get the Sn is equals to displacement covered in n seconds. Sn can be written as, simply you can write as here Sn can I get like Sn can be written as equation 1 minus 2. What is equation 1? Un plus half a n square is the equation 1. Equation 1 minus equation 2. U of n minus 1 plus half a of n minus 1 whole square is the equation 2. By simplification, let it be like so. Similarly, un plus half a n square minus of u into n u into minus 1 minus 2. And half here let it be like so. It looks like a minus b whole square. According to formula a minus a square minus 2ab plus b square, I can write like so. After let it be like so, un plus half a n square minus half un minus u plus half a into n square minus 2n plus 1. By multiplying with half a here, half a into n square, half a n square, half a into minus 2n minus half a into n, half a into 1 half a. Now further simplification, I am multiplying with minus, the entire equation with minus and multiplying. Okay, that will be like so, un plus half a n square minus into un minus un minus into plus u minus of minus plus u, and minus into plus half a n square minus half a n square minus of minus plus 2 gets cancelled here, 2 gets cancelled. so that an remains. Minus of minus plus an remains here. Minus of plus minus half a. Okay, this is the final simplification. This is the entire equation of the simplification. So I can cancel here plus un minus un and plus half an square and minus half an square. What are the remaining terms here? Here u, here an minus half a. So u plus an minus half a. Here there is a common. So that by taking a as common, u plus a of m minus 1 by 2 is the formula for the displacement covered by an object in nth second. U plus a of m minus 1 by 2 is also another equation for the motion of an object which is uniformly accelerated.